Hello, my name is Whitty, and my team consists of Aaron and Joel. And together we worked on network tool comparisons, comparing Wireshark and TCP. For this PowerPoint, we are going to be talking about Wireshark and TCP, comparing and contrasting these two different tools and see how they operate. Why are network tools essential to businesses? There are several reasons why network tools are important, an example being, just like the quote says, remember time is money. So in a world of technology where things are constantly changing, being able to monitor your network is a big asset to your business. A man named Gerald Combs wanted a tool that would allow him to track networking problems. So in 1997, he came up with the tool Wireshark. It was originally called Ethereal. After many tries, the tool was officially launched in 1998. Throughout the years, many people have contributed to Wireshark. A group of men came up with a tool called TCPdump. The purpose of the tool is to analyze networking traffic and display packets. In 1999, TCPdump was officially launched. Each program has its own purpose. TCPdump is to allow users to analyze network traffic and troubleshoot network issues and use security tools, while Wireshark intercepts and displays network traffic in a reliable format using GUI and supports TCP, UDP, and ICMP packets as well as thousands of network protocols. As we learned in the previous slides, Wireshark is primarily used to intercept and display networks using GUI. Also, it captures packets for analyzing. Once a packet is captured, they can be broken down and analyzed for real-time or offline use. Lastly, Wireshark is a free program to use. When using TCPdump, you'll see that it is like Wireshark. You can use TCP on Linux or Mac OS X. When using TCP, you must use commands. Below are a few commands used for this program. One command is capture packets from specific interface. The command for this will be hashtag TCPdump -I ETHO. After our research, we found that Wireshark uses GUI while TCP uses a command interface.
Technological practice. Wireshark is a tool that helps users catch data packets. It can decode data payloads and perform packet analysis. It has tools for in-depth analysis of the packets. TCPdump is a command line interface capturing tool. Gives analysis on DNS queries and performs broad packet analysis. Business context. Since Wireshark is a free software, there are no free trials. Users are able to download the full version online for free. It is not provided by any vendor. It can be launched on Mac, Windows, or Linux. This software is used by businesses, governments, and schools. TCPdump is a free software. This software is deployed on Linux. TCPdump comes pre-installed on Linux. If not, to install the software, you must use commands such as sudo yum install -y tcpdump. TCPdump most commonly used for system-based traditional interfaces. On the other hand, Wireshark maps additional network interfaces. TCPdump only provides simple analysis of packet traffic such as DNS queries. TCPdump has simple filters, provides decoding for protocol-based packet capturing, and provides simple analysis such as traffic. Wireshark has good complex filters, is not efficient in decoding, and does packet analysis and decodes data payloads. Reviews and evaluations. Below are reviews from users. These are their thoughts on Wireshark. Reviewer number 1 gave a rating of 4.5, commented best software to track network packets. A like is best network tracking software capturing of all the network calls in the background. A dislike is for beginners, Wireshark is hard to understand. There should be a touring option in the software explaining how it works. Reviewer number 2 gave a rating of 3.5, commented a free open source user-friendly packet analyzer. Alike, it lets you put the filter for interfaces as per your requirement. A dislike, Wireshark doesn't let you capture traces for a particular subscriber, but captures all messages on the interface for the time specified. 3 top alternatives: SolarWinds Network Performance Monitor, PRTG Network Monitor, and Nagios Network Analyzer. Below are reviews from users. These are their thoughts on TCPdump. The quickness that you can have with TCPdump over Wireshark is awesome. It is one of those tools that many network administrators prefer whenever they need to take a look at the network packets that are being transmitted. TCPdump does not have as many features as Wireshark, but the output of its packets dump of its packet dump can be used as input by other programs. Reviewer number 1 said monitoring tools is a 43 out of 100. The log management is a 46 out of 100. Security is 46 out of 100. API is a 100 out of 100. The 3 top alternatives is Wireshark, sysdig, and Network Miner. Future trends. Specialists are starting to use TCPdump for general scans and then using Wireshark for more in-depth scans of a network. Technical issues. Originally, we were going to use FileZilla. However, through further investigation, that FileZilla is more oriented towards file transfer, while this project we are looking more into networks. This led us to choose TCPdump in place of FileZilla, as shown through our rough draft and PowerPoint so far. Explain other interesting things in your learning. Something cool about Wireshark and TCPdump that you didn't know before. Maybe how TCPdump and Wireshark can be used in unison. Summarize. In conclusion, Wireshark is best used for complex, deep scans of the network for proper analysis. TCPdump is still preferred for simple and quick analysis of a network. TCPdump is still considered to be high performing and accurate. A screenshot of a general structure of the main menu for Wireshark. Here you can see the display filter, column display, frame details, and hexadecimal view.
On this page is a screenshot of the captured network traffic on Wireshark. As you can see, Wireshark provides its users with a graph, and on this graph is a depiction of the captured network. In Wireshark, users are allowed to filter their capture. So on this slide, the green bar represents where users are allowed to filter their captures. This last screenshot shows users how they're able to save their packets on Wireshark.
The following 5 slides will be the command lines we used for TCPdump for the following. This is the command line of TCPdump for capturing 6 packets. Command used was hashtag TCPdump-C 5-I, and then you'd enter the name of the interface. This is the command line for capturing and saving packets in a file. Command used is hashtag TCPdump-W0001.pcap-I, enter the name of the interface. This is the command line for capturing of IP address packets. Command used is hashtag TCPdump-N-I, enter the name of the interface. This is the command line of TCPdump for the capture of TCP-only packets. Command used is hashtag TCPdump-I, enter the name of the interface, TCP. This is the command line for TCPdump for the capture of a packet from a specific port. command used is hashtag TCPdump-I, enter the name of the interface, port 443.
This is a live demo of saving captured packets to a file. Here are references and resources. That's the end. Thank you for watching.